Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arianna for those of you who are new, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all. This is a very special shoe because of the story behind it. I'm gonna leave a link down below to the full interview with James Whitaker by Complex because I think it's very important to listen to the full review for yourself. That way you have a better understanding of why this shoe was created and the thoughts behind the design. But yes, this is a very important shoe. I think that I'm really happy to see Jordan Brand putting more women inclusive and women directed shoes. So I felt like this was a very important shoe for me to have. So I have it here and let us take a closer look at it. I did not get this from A Ma Maniére. A Ma Maniére? A Ma Maniére. A Ma Maniére. I'm trying. Yeah, I bought this from Goat a couple days before because I was pretty sure that I was not going to get it. Well, actually I had an offer in and it ended up going through. So, I'm very happy to have these. Okay. Also, these are going right to the toe. I'm wearing these today. I'm so excited about these. I can barely handle it. So this is the box. You have the clear like plastic with their logo all over. And then the box. This is really exciting. I really like this. The tissue paper also has their logo, just like the, oh my gosh. These are even better in hand. Okay, let me take out both. Oh, I'm so happy to have these. Hang on 1 second. Wow. So this is the A Ma Maniére. A Ma Maniére. A Ma Maniére. I'm gonna get it eventually. This is the A Ma Maniére Jordan 3. What a special shoe. So I'll briefly go into what the meaning and purpose behind the shoe is. When they sat down with Jordan Brand, James Whitaker, he discussed that this silhouette, the Jordan 3, was the first Jordan that his mom ever bought him and his brothers. And his mother is very important to him, and they wanted to create a story more focused towards women, and I appreciate that a lot. A lot of the details in these shoes are a nod to his mother and a nod to women in general. So I really appreciate that. But looking at this shoe is absolutely stunning. You can tell that the leather is very premium. This is a really high quality shoe. You have the quilting on the interior in that nice gray. I like the tones of this shoe, first of all. And the suede is really, really nice on this shoe. You have this like, almost like a muted purple, eggplant color is what I call it, on the right above the midsole. You have that gray suede. You have the aged yellow back tab with the Nike Air in gray. And behind this is one of the biggest reasons as to why I wanted to get this shoe, and that was the sayings behind the shoe. On each side it has a little hidden message. One says, all we have is each other, and the other one says, you have to get comfortable walking alone. And I really, really like that. That is really special to me and has special meaning to me. So I feel really happy to have these. It also says work harder on the shoelaces. Just little touches that make this so, so, so special. Overall in hand, this did not disappoint me. I feel that the quality is really amazing. You can see all of the tones throughout the shoe. On the bottom of the shoe, you have the gray, white, and that eggplant color. The interior with that quilting is just superb. You also have their tag on the side of the shoe. Really amazing. Let's see this. I think the aged, like this color lace, I think it's like a, what is it? Vintage cream. Maybe like, no, maybe like a beige. I think this will look the best in the shoe, and I'll probably lace it up with that. I'm gonna put some up close and on feet, and I'm gonna put the on feet in a different location. I really appreciate one of you commented on my last video and said that you feel that it might be better for me to not do my on feet on the fuzzy carpet because it covers up some of the shoe. I really appreciate that. So if you guys have any other constructive criticism or things that I could maybe do better, and you put it in a nice way, please. I really appreciate that. I'm all about doing it better and finding ways to improve my videos for you guys. So please let me know down below. And with that being said, let's get into the on feet and up close. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Were you guys able to get it in the early raffle for just women if you're a woman? And if not, were you able to hit on the website? Let me know. I'm very interested to know. And also, what do you guys think? Do you think that they're going to restock? Because I think that they will. They kind of made a nod to that here and there, I thought, on the website and on their Instagram. So let me know what you guys think. Are you going to pick these up? Did you? Let me know. If you haven't yet, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you haven't and you want to join the family, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.